Right guys, so after the post I managed to make it out to the shed and found that the V-bands I have, the 3-inch V-bands, sit perfectly on that flange. Now there's a bit of a piece here, but that's always going to be there. Like at some point you're going to have to swap your diameters down, so I'm going to weld that around there, so that's that part done. I'll obviously have to make my pipe to come up and meet that V-band with the male side on it, and that'll just sit into that, so that'll be all right. That's perfect. On the actuator, I took it off. I've managed to pull this part out. I don't really want to swap it. I want to kind of get going on this, so I got an airline connection. This is the BSP type airline connection. It's not something I use anyway. I just cut that down and that will then sit onto there. I have to just give that a little bit of a file it off, and then I'm going to drill it out just a little bit at the very start, just so it can, you might see I'm after making, let's say this is the male side and this is the female side, set them together, and I'll do a quick little TIG or very, very low amperage TIG around the edges here, because that's very thin steel, so that's fine. So far we're getting out of the job with just what I have lying around in the shed, which is a nice way to be. The next thing was to get the pipe for the breather, and I just happened to have a brand new 4-inch 90 still in its packaging, stainless steel, and that just happens to fit perfectly onto there. So what I will do is I need to get what I don't have is I need a 4-inch coupler, silicone coupler for these 4-inch straight. I don't think I have anything that's that. I strongly doubt I do. The filter itself, I know I have, is built to take that 4 inch as well. So really, 4-inch coupler. I have these step down pipes for this here. One of them there for the silicone down to my intercooler pipe work. So I'm kind of getting off very lightly so far. What else do I need? I need to, obviously, I'll probably have to make up an oil line to feed it. And then what I got with this is I got some parts from Diesel Pump UK. So I got the cast manifold adapter. It's quite a nice piece. Has rough casting marks as you would expect. That'll obviously have to be sorted, but the actual mating surfaces seem to be very good. Interested to know, do I need a gasket for that gap there? I know these triangular ones don't technically need a gasket, like Mercedes don't use one in it. So that's that part. And then I got some of these CNC block connectors and the turbo connections there, and they're gasketed. Yeah. Anyway, guys, so that's a quick solution to my turbo woes, and should offer an awful lot of power from this, much more than I'll ever want. All right.